Just arrived here at our campsite, and here's the BougeRV fridge that rode shotgun with me. I plugged it into my truck while we were driving, and now I need to plug it into the power station here. So I've got the DC already on. I'll just plug it in. I've got a full battery there, and we'll see how long it lasts on the power station. And it's at 45 degrees right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on eco mode and set the temperature at 38. There we go. This is just a quick update of how the fridge did overnight. Reads 37 right now, and it's been on eco mode the whole night. And on the Bluetti AC30, we've only lost 1 bar, so it's probably around 60 to 80%. One thing to note though is, even when on eco mode, this display never turns off, which is rather annoying. During the night, it was like a bright night light shining into the back of my truck shell. And it seems like if you want to put it on eco mode, that at least the display should shut off after 10 minutes or even half an hour. So I just checked in to see how the fridge was doing, and it's currently Sunday, just after 5 p.m. It's been running since Friday night. And I'm looking at the power station, and there's no battery bars, but it's still showing that the DC is on. And if I look at the fridge up here though, it shows a E1. And if you open up the fridge, the light still comes on. But when I touch the walls, they're still cold, but not as cold as I would like them. So I'm assuming that it's just not, there's just not enough power for the power station to run the fridge anymore. Now I know there are some settings down here for power. You can choose to have it on high, medium, or low. And if you have it set to high, that's more battery protection to not run the battery down super low. So I wonder, so if I hit that onto medium, I wonder if that would change anything. Okay, so that's off. Okay, so it's currently at 48 degrees. Oh, we got the error message again. Let's see if turning it on to low will do anything. .48, trying to kick on. I don't hear anything happening. If I hit max. I'm not seeing anything happen or hearing anything going on, so I'm just gonna assume that the power station is out of power. I mean, that's what the battery indicator shows. So it's ran for 2 days. Oh, something did just kick on. I can hear it starting to cool down now. Turns out the fridge can run a little bit longer when you switch it on to low battery protection. This is a great feature offered by BougeRV. It allows you to squeeze out a little more juice from a battery if you're in an emergency situation and need your food cold. Although I wouldn't recommend running it that way very often. For this trip, this fridge has done an excellent job in preserving power for our campout. We went for Memorial Day weekend, and temperatures ranged from 40 to 80 degrees, just to give you an idea of the conditions. It ran basically 2 full days on eco mode off of this small Bluetti AC30 PowerStation that only has a 300 watt-hour battery. So if you have the Bluetti AC30, even if you ran the fridge on max power mode in hotter temperatures, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't last you for at least an overnight camping trip. I say great job for both the fridge and PowerStation. I really like this fridge from BougeRV. It does what you want it to, which is to keep your food cold. On top of that, it also offers the ability to set a precise temperature for sensitive items or just your personal preference. The light inside is essential for camping at night, and the fact that it's designed like a regular ice chest means that when you open it, all the cold air doesn't rush out the bottom like a regular fridge. If you're interested in getting a DCFridge for camping or even emergency situations, BougeRV gave me some discount codes you can find below in the description. They're offering 10% off for both this 53 quart model and their smaller 42 quart model. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good one.